wake up tired, you drink coffee, still tired, you sit down to do something important, and your brain just says, not today. And somehow, even after doing almost nothing all day, you feel completely drained, like your energy just disappeared into thin air. So what is actually going on here? Why does your brain feel exhausted when your body barely did anything? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Because this is not laziness. And once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. Paint a picture. Your monkey brain wakes up in the morning full of potential. There are bananas to collect, goals to chase maybe, even a new tree to climb, but instead of moving, it just sits there scrolling, thinking, worrying, switching between things. And somehow by the end of the day, your monkey feels like it ran a marathon without ever leaving the tree. Is the weird part. You did not do anything physically demanding. You did not run, you did not lift anything heavy, but your brain feels like it just fought 10 tigers at once and lost, and now it wants to lie down and do nothing again tomorrow. Asterisk. Your monkey is confused. It thinks, I did nothing. Why am I so tired? But the truth is, your brain was working the whole time, just in the worst possible way, constantly switching, constantly thinking, constantly reacting, and never actually finishing anything. Asterisk. Here is the reality. Your brain is not designed for the modern jungle. Your monkey brain evolved to focus on one thing at a time. Find food, avoid. Danger, rest, repeat. But now your brain is dealing with notifications, messages, videos, decisions, comparisons, and stress all at once. Asterisk. Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a cost. This is called attention residue, which basically means part of your brain stays stuck on the last thing you were doing. So when you jump from one banana tree to another, your monkey is still thinking about the previous tree, and now it is confused and slower. Asterisk. Then there is decision fatigue. Your brain makes thousands of tiny decisions every day: what to wear, what to eat, what to watch, what to reply. Even small choices drain mental energy, and your monkey is not built for this many decisions. It gets tired just choosing between bananas all day. Asterisk. And then comes dopamine. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects a reward, like checking your phone or watching a video. But the problem is, these are quick, easy bananas, so your brain keeps chasing them instead of doing meaningful work. And over time, this constant dopamine chasing makes real work feel harder and more exhausting. Asterisk. So now your monkey is stuck. It is constantly stimulated, constantly distracted, and constantly making decisions, and all of this drains energy without producing anything meaningful. Asterisk. Here is the paradox. The less you do, the more tired you feel. Sounds strange, but it is true, because your brain is not tired from effort. It is tired from chaos. Asterisk. When your monkey jumps between tasks, it never enters a focused state where work feels smooth and almost effortless. Instead, it stays in a state of resistance where everything feels harder than it should be. Asterisk. And here is the deeper problem. Your brain starts associating effort with pain. So every time you think about doing something productive, your monkey remembers the struggle and says, no thanks, let us just sit here and eat easy bananas instead. Asterisk. So now you are stuck in a loop. You avoid effort, you chase easy rewards, you feel guilty, you feel tired, and then you avoid effort even more. One, reduced decision overload. Asterisk. Your monkey hates making too many choices. So simplify your day. Or similar clothes, plan your meals ahead. Decide your main task before the day starts. For example, instead of waking up and thinking, what should I do today, just say today, I work on this one thing, and that is it. Your brain relaxes because it knows what to do. Asterisk. Number 2, stop constant switching. Asterisk. Your monkey loses energy every time it jumps trees. So give it one tree at a time. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on one task only. No phone, no switching, no checking after that. Take a short break. This helps your brain enter a flow state where work feels easier and less draining. Number 3, control your dopamine. Right now, your monkey is addicted to easy bananas, so you need to reduce them. Limit social media notifications and random scrolling, especially in the morning, for example. Do not touch your phone for the first hour of the day. Let your brain start with real work before it gets distracted. Number 4, move your body. This sounds simple, but it works. Your brain and body are connected. When your monkey moves, your brain wakes up. Even a short walk can increase energy and focus because it improves blood flow and reduces mental fatigue. Number 5, create a simple routine. Your brain loves patterns when things are predictable. Your monkey does not have to think as much, so create a daily routine. Wake up at the same time, start work at the same time, and take breaks at the same time. This reduces mental effort and saves energy. Asterisk number 6, do less but better. Asterisk. Instead of trying to do 10 things badly, focus on doing 1 or 2 things well. Your monkey is not built for multitasking. It is built for focus. So give it fewer bananas, but let it actually eat them instead of just looking at everything. Asterisk. When you start applying this, something changes. Your brain stops feeling chaotic, your energy becomes stable, and your monkey finally feels like it is in control. Again, asterisk. You wake up with clarity, you start tasks without resistance, and instead of feeling tired all the time, you actually feel satisfied because now your effort is leading. Somewhere, asterisk, remember this, your brain is not broken, it is just overwhelmed. And once you remove the overload, your natural energy comes back. Asterisk. So, next time you feel tired, ask yourself, did I actually work, or did my monkey just keep jumping between trees all day? Because that is the real difference. Asterisk, your energy is not about doing more, it is about doing the right things in the right way. Train your monkey control the bananas, and your brain will finally work with you instead of against you. Asterisk. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join the membership for more deep psychology content that actually changes how you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.